Alright, today I'm going to be unboxing Duracell AA batteries. They come with a 10-year guarantee on these when in storage. So I'm going to go ahead and unbox these. On the back it talks about the guarantee, the cautions, and the precautions in Spanish. Be sure to read those. So on the back it says to open right at this little notch. So I'm going to take this and I'm going to pull that open, and the batteries are exposed. Now, if you're only taking a couple out, you probably don't want to pull back all the cardboard, but since I'm using all of these, I'm going to go ahead and take the batteries out. So there's right here, and I'm just going to lay them on the table for you to look at. So I have the batteries here, are the Duracell batteries. You can take a look at them. This side right here is the positive side, and back there, the flat side, is the negative. So that's the unboxing. Also wanted to tell you about the expiration date should be on there. On this one right here, it says March 2029. That's how long they should last if they're in storage and not being used inside of a device or inside of a device. So that's the unboxing of the Duracell AA batteries. Thanks a lot for watching.